Hey, lady, stop. You're not about to go in this bus ride. The baby said so. Stop. Everyone, stop. Whoa. Guys, no one move the... There's a noob in our bus. You gotta go, lady. Lady, stop. You're eating our engine. There's a lady eating our engine. Bus rider, we gotta go. Lady, stop. This bus ride is illegal now. This bus ride... Whoa, who did I kill? Oh, I killed multiple people. Yes, lady. Whoa. Come on, bus driver. We need to fix... Because this noob dude. Whoa. Okay, the bus driver fell. Hey, people said bus drivers... No, ow! Whoa. I wasn't expecting that. Hey, dude, stop. Balloony, stop. Ow! I just saved you from that man. Oh, thank you, okay? He doesn't appreciate my thanks. So I'll crush her with this bus. No. Back to the bus. Why is there a lady attacking that man? Oh, what? Who's ready to get on the bus? No one's ready. Someone just fell. Oh, she fell. Ha. Exactly. Stop. No, you are not able to do this. Stop. Okay. What people don't know what to do is there's some dude. Come on. Whoa. Oh, I'm just... Whoa. Take that lady who was trying to kill me. Heh, she fell. Okay, now Chop, we're doing our work again. I'm gonna be the... Hey, this lady, stop. This is not what I deserve. Goodbye, people of... No. Oh, this guy just got crushed by the bus. Oh, he just... Hey, let me drive the bus today, and you are getting crushed today. Woohoo! I'm crushing... Goodbye. This is the bus land of Noling Dan. Woo! OMG, the bus! What happened? Okay, guys, the bus has been disabled for today. No! Oh, someone fell. Hey, that's not the proper way to go in a bus. Stop it. Yes, that is the proper way. Ow! No, she's killing the bus driver. Stop! You killed the bus. Oh, what just happened? Ah! Okay. So that was a good round. Minions! Why is there minions? Minions only. Ow! No! Ow! I'm not Gru. Whoa! He's turning the bus around. Why are you driving this bus, Minion? Come back, Minion. Minion, I need to drive your fellow bus. I'm now gonna be the... Now, whoa! The Minion just crushed... Stop, dude. Yes, goodbye, dude. Take that for trying to kill the bus driver. Well, the bus driver is already dead. Whoa! Someone just blasted. Oh, geez, they're off. Stop it, guys. Okay, the bus driver. No one will take the seat, only me. Because I am now the new... Whoa! Ow! Haha, the girl killed me, Dot. And now the bus is backwards. The bus is... Oh, this dude! Stop it! You cannot do this. I'm a wizard. I'm the most famous wizard in the world. That's why I can fly. Ah, yes, he fell. They all fell. That's what happens if you mess with the wizard. Oh! Stop it, Minion. Okay, someone drive the bus. We need to go to Notre Dame. Hey, this is not Notre Dame. Whoa, whoa! That was a close call. And Earthworm Sally, stop. No, stop it, Azaz. Okay, thank you. That's for me. Oh, Earthworm Sally lady. Please, I come in peace. I come in peace. I'm a wizard who comes in peace. No one knows that. Now this dude, you gotta stop right there, Azaz. Come on. Now I'm the new bus driver of today. Whoa! Azaz just killed me. What? Okay, Azaz, I'm getting revenge on you. Where's Azaz? Maybe he died from that fall to his bus death. The death of the bus. You just killed a random man. You know that's... Yes, that's illegal. Take that. Oh, chicken. Stop it. Don't give me the chicken pox. The chicken gave me a chicken pox. No, you are not supposed to do this. Minion, you're trying to kill this minion. It's actually a new zero noob. Stop. Who did that? Okay, so let's go, guys. We're going to our... Don't you do it. Okay, I'm killing the chicken man. He gave me the chicken pox. Stop, dude. I'm trying to fly with the sword. This dude. Okay, so I got... Someone. Stop it. Stop it. Oh, stop it. I need some. Come on. Okay. Take that. You. Okay. Now that I released my anger, now no one can defeat. They got squished by the bus. Now I can be the new bus driver and ride whatever bus I want. Woohoo! The best bus ride ever that has been ever made. The chicken. He has returned. Stop it. Stop it. You chicken. Stop. Stop. Yes. We killed the chicken, guys. Now I'm flying. I gotta fly with my wizard powers out of here. Yes. Now my time has become. No, the wizard. He's trying to take over the world. Yes, wizard. Haha, your plan has failed. Yes, you didn't get to get in the car seat. Yes, you didn't get to get in the car seat, wizard. That's what you get. Okay. We defeated the wizard. And that's the end of the story. Well, not the wizard. The chicken. Yeah, you didn't give me the chicken pox this time.